Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by shutting down and unplugging the Chromebook. This cuts power and prevents sparks. Once done, flip it over and remove any SD or SIM cards. Make sure to work on a flat, static-free surface and wear a grounded wrist strap if available. You'll need a Phillips #0, a plastic spudger, and a small tray to keep screws organized. Start by loosening exterior screws. Keep track of their lengths because reassembly depends on correct placement. You now remove the bottom panel screws and lift the cover carefully. Do not yank it open. Clips can break. Once the chassis is open, use the spudger to free any taped cable runs and expose the internal layout. Locate the flat rectangular battery pack and follow its cable to the motherboard connector. That connector is your primary disconnect point. Make sure to note any adhesive strips or bracket screws holding the battery. These must be removed. You'll disconnect the battery by gently releasing the connector. Push the tab or lift the latch and pull the housing, not the wires. Once unplugged, remove any mounting screws or peel back adhesive carefully. Heat with a hairdryer for a few seconds if adhesive is stubborn. Lift the battery straight out without bending the pack. When reassembling, reconnect the battery connector last, then power on to verify operation before snapping the bottom cover back into place. If it won't boot, reseat the connector and check screw locations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.